Mae o'n frwdfrydig tuag at 'i bwnc, mae o'n angerddol am sicrhau'r gorau i'r disgyblion.
Mae'n gwneud i pethau'n cymhleth teimlo mwy syml ac yn gwneud pethau ella mwy diflas, mwy hwyl.
My daughter is a former pupil of the school and she's doing chemical engineering. That foundation and love for maths has definitely come from her years at Craven.
Wel, mae rhaid bod o un o'r prif resymau wrth mod i wedi dewis, ddim jyst astudio mathemateg fel pwnc, ond wedyn di dewis gyrfa fel athro mathemateg.
Rebecca brings to this school a real vibrancy and life. All of her colleagues look up to her as a massive role model. She is an inspiration, parents, pupils and staff alike. Everybody wants to be in her class.
The children love her. When she comes into my classroom, the children are really pleased to see her, which I think you can't fake.
She's a kind, nurturing lady that dedicates her time to making sure everybody is happy.
And every child in her class makes enormous progress.
People always talk about people being stars, and Victoria really is a star. She twinkles away all day long in the classroom.
She teaches both of my children and they both really enjoy her lessons. She's very engaging, very supportive.
Madam Rowe's lessons, they're always great. She always goes the extra mile to make sure everyone's involved. You're always happy when you go to French.
She is solid gold and I think that needs to be recognised.
She's just such an amazing teacher.